Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a kind of a quick video on EOS, Evolution is Smooth. They just became Leaping Bunny certified, and I think in like December, so that's awesome. They're one of those companies that's moving in the right direction and you can go buy their stuff. So I did kind of go a little crazy when I found out that they were Leaping Bunny certified. I got almost one of everything, but I didn't get like their lip relief, which I'm gonna definitely purchase, and then their tinted lip stuff. I didn't get like every single scent, but I did get like about one of each type of product. Okay, and I wanted to kind of do this because Easter's around the corner, and I was kind of looking at the colors and I was like, wow, they're very like vibrant and spring. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to show it to you kind of like Easter. They're kind of doing that too, where they're doing kind of like an Easter theme. So, because it's like egg shaped. So, but yeah, I haven't used this brand in a while, especially when I didn't know that they were Leaping Bunny and then they became it. So I was really excited to use their stuff again. This is just a reverberation of what I do for all my videos. I want to show you the product. I want to show you what it actually looks like, what I think of it, what it smells like, where I got it, and how much I paid for it. So I kind of did it as like a little basket, so you can kind of, you know, make a little basket out of all this great stuff. And the little eggs in there. And so like kind of what I want to do for this is also tell you like these would be good gifts for like an Easter basket, or you know, you can have the kiddos go hunt down these little lip balms. I thought that would be kind of a cool idea. You know, if they're kind of shiny like these eggs too, so here you go. Be kind of a fun Easter egg hunt, I think, to get these. I'd be happy with that. Go ahead and kind of start with their lip balms because that's what they're known for. So I have a few. Like I said, I didn't get like everything. I didn't get every scent of everything, but I did get like at least one of each kind of product that they have. So I was holding this one, which is the strawberry, and it's called Strawberry Cheers. So I think this was more kind of like a holiday one, but it also comes with the $11 pack. These all three come together. Or you can do these two together, which I got at Target for like $5. And normally like one of these is about $3. So this is the Strawberry Cheer, like I said. And I think it smells just like strawberries. It's really good. I'm not gonna put this on my lips because I'm gonna be doing like 5 different lip balms. So I don't really want to like keep putting them on my lips. Circle. And I think these last pretty long time. I actually haven't even ran out of one. So that's why they're good. And then I got this Tropical Mango, which is a really cute orange, like Easter colors. And this one smells, I think this one smells really good too. My top 2 favorites I would say would be the strawberry and the mango. I like fruity scents, so that's probably why. And then they do have an SPF one, and it comes like that. So that's a cool looking like egg color. Almost looks like you designed it yourself. Lemon Twist, and I think it smells very lemony, and I like lemon stuff, so I think this one's good too. And then this one is Toasted Marshmallow. This one's probably more of a holiday one. I think that's when I got it. It was more like for a holiday. But you know, you toast marshmallows in the summer, so it wouldn't be such a bad summer one. It does smell kind of like summer, I think, like when you go camping. So you can use it for either one, and it's a nice purple. Okay, and then, so these are a little different. Like I said, I remember them being the egg-shaped always. So this is like a normal lip balm. You just twist it up, so that's what it looks like. And this one is the apple. It actually doesn't say on the bottom. So all of these tell you what they are on the bottom, but not this one, unfortunately. So this is just like a normal lip balm, but I think it smells really good. I'll put this one on. We'll go to the lotion. So like I said, you can get this and this and this for $10.99. I got this on their website, but you could probably find it for about the same price somewhere else. I just rather have bought it from their website. So you can basically find their stuff really easily. Their website's going to be the best place, I think, to buy. Make sure you get one of everything, get pretty much everything you want. I rarely see they're out of stock. Sometimes they are out of stock of stuff. When I bought from their website, they did a $15 minimum of shipping, so that was really cool. And this I bought a 2-pack, which I don't have the second one, but I bought this for $4.99 roughly at Target, and then the rest I bought individually for like $3. So this is a Heal and Repair, which they have, I think, 2 or 3 others of these, but different scents, of course. But I really like the pomegranate, so that's why I got the pomegranate set. And then it comes in a 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce. And you know, this is, I think that's a really good price because this one is an 8 ounce and then a 1 ounce, and then you get one of their egg-shaped lip balms. So like if you did shop at Bath and Body Works, if you don't anymore because they're not cruelty-free, these would be like $8 on their own just for this little thing. So if you think about it that way, oh, the pomegranate smells amazing. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so then you can get a little hand cream, which is a 2.5 ounce, and these run about $3 at Target. Like I said, there's multiple scents of all these, but this one I think is the best smelling one, and I do have a couple others, and I'll bring those up another videos in the future. But definitely love the pomegranate. I think that's the best scent of what I've smelled. They're all great, but I just love pomegranate, raspberry, and yeah. So just kind of show you. This one's a little bit thinner than I think the other one. So this one's about probably the same consistency as that last one. And this one I think is even thicker. See, it's a lot thicker. And I like my lotions thick. I talked about that in a few of my episodes, that I at least have lotions in, but I just really like the thickness. I just don't like it when they feel too watery or watered down, I guess you could say. But I still really like this brand overall. I don't think they do that too much with their products. And then, so here's a big one. This is a 16 ounce. And this is about $8, $7.99. I got it at Target, which they have 3 others. So they have 4 total for this. And they're all the same price, different scents of course. Like I said, I'll bring those up later. But I like this bottle because it has the little squirt bottle. I'm gonna try to bring it up. So this one comes out, I would say about medium, a little thick, a little thin. So it just depends, I guess, on what you like. But yeah, I love that pomegranate smell. So speaking of that, they have shaving cream, and they do have another shaving cream that comes in something that looks kind of similar to this. So I didn't get that one either yet, but because I'm not like a huge fan of shaving creams. I don't shave my legs with shaving cream. I shave it with an electric razor, but I do shave my underarms with shaving cream. That's why I buy them. And then I have the lavender. So I did buy every single scent that they have right now anyway for the shaving cream. So this is a lavender, just lavender. And then they have vanilla bliss, and they pink citrus. And like I said, these are all just such vibrant colors. Definitely, be good to get these for Easter. Show you, I guess, one of them. We'll just stick with the pomegranate. So it comes out, pump. And then it basically is just gonna do this on your skin, wherever you're gonna shave. So it stays like this, and then you wanna just run a little bit of water on it, but it stays nice and thick, and then you just shave. Didn't wanna actually show you. But with it being like this, I thought, oh, maybe this would be the foamy kind, but it is not the foamy kind. If you know of any shaving creams that are cruelty-free, especially Leaping Bunny brands that are foamy, that's just kind of the brands I like. That's just kind of the texture I like more. But these are great. Around about $3-4. All three of them I got from Target, so they're about like $3.30 for each. And then one I had to get, it might have been this one even, off of Amazon for like $4, but that's okay. I think it was just because I couldn't find it anywhere else. So on their website, they're about $4, at least right now. And I don't know if they're still doing the 15 minimum, but you can check it out. You can always look other places. Walmart has this stuff, Target, Amazon. It just depends on where it's available, when it's available, if everything's sold out. But yeah, I think they're a great company. I'm really happy to be using them again. Trying their new stuff that I never had, at least when I was using it, and that they're Leaping Bunny now, so that's awesome. Thank you, EOS, because you're going in the right direction. We need more brands to do what you're doing, and this stuff just smells so good. It feels so good on your skin, and I'm really just happy that we have this brand, so thank you. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great and safe Easter. Bye.